All right. Dude, go look in the camper. There's probably like chairs in the camper.
Another chair for this metal chair?
Yeah, I got the other metal chair. It's over in Azalea Circle. Do you want to go get it?
I tell you, I have another metal chair.
You have another metal chair.
That would match that.
You have a metal chair that would match this?
Yeah, it might not be the same as that, but it's a metal chair like black.
Yeah,
chair.
okay. Okay. Will you go get that other chair? And I'll just, I'll be right here saying hi to YouTube. Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're at the Sweet 16 and it's really wet. Got a special guest today. He's not really a guest. I actually made him be here. It's my cousin Neil. You guys might already seen him a little bit here and there. We work together. So, you know, we fix up houses and build stuff and remodel and do all kinds of stuff. And today is a good day because if you've been following along, we got a remodel done yesterday, and it's one we've been working on for a couple months, and we got it all done, and I got a couple days free. And I'm going to tell you, as you guys already know, we really like free. So I got 2 days free during the week, and what better days to come up to the land and get some work done. And since me and Neil work together, I was like, hey, do you want a couple days off? Or do you want to come up to the land and work with me? And he's here today. We're going to try to get some framing done on the lean-to. But first, we got to make some coffee. You know what I'm saying? Because the only person I know that drinks as much coffee as I do is Neil. Okay? And he's right over here right now. And we decided if we're going to do this, we're going to do it right. And I was talking to him yesterday and I said, Neil, I said, I've never done this on the channel. But since you're going to be with me and it's a special day. And I was like, let's celebrate. You know what I mean? It's just me and you. We're out on the land. Let's cook a little breakfast and drink a little coffee. What do you say? Then, you know, living in Arkansas, you never know what's going to happen. Got all my gear packed up last night. Get up at, you know, dark 30 this morning. Get all dressed. Put on my nice cargo shorts. Get a t-shirt on. I go outside to see what it looks like, and it's pouring down rain. So, you know, that figures. Luckily, the rain's kind of blowing through. It's about, you know, 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. And we're waiting it out. Everything's wet. But if you've been watching the channel, we're going to get a fire going no matter what. As I'm telling you, I'm just now getting going on this video. And I'm pumped today. I can tell you that right now. I'm pumped. I never get any handheld shots, man. You know, I don't. Everything I do is sitting on tripods because I'm doing it all by myself. So today's going to be awesome to have help. And I'm going to be basically running the camera and doing what you're seeing me do right now. And that's it, you know. So Neil, he's good with the camera. He can hold it for me sometimes, and that's just fun, man. So I'm glad you guys are here. Oh, look at that, dude. Whoa, what is happening right now? Dude. That wood right there ain't no joke, man. Like how, like, what is red oak?
It's the centers.
It's the center of a red oak tree. Is that called a heart? I'm not putting this part on because I don't, yeah. How did you get these? Sawmill? You just went to the sawmill and said, hey, can I have some centers? Guys, I already know all this stuff. I mean, you guys don't know, so, you know, we're doing the thing. So I already know, but Neil has got a truckload of this wood. And I'm trying to get him to give me some because it's awesome red oak. And, you know, I'm a guy that, you know, I'm not going to say what was just in my mind because that ain't going to sound good. You know what I was going to say? I'm a guy that needs wood. I'm not even going the right way with it. I'm out of coffee. So time to get this fire going because we got to cook breakfast and we need to make some coffee. So we're going to jump right on that right now. I could get used to this, you know what I'm saying? Like cooking out here at the Viking pit. I mean, it's, y'all already know. This is good. I couldn't wait. I couldn't. This stuff's good.
Hey, where's all the bacon?
I couldn't wait, man. Dude, come on, man. Come on. old big boy set up, and got a few hours left in the day before we got to head on out of here. So we're gonna try to get some more of this framing done. Right there. I'm getting some screws right now in my pocket for that board. Another screw. I mean, I guess that's fine. Just go ahead and screw it there. You might have to lift that side, your side, up a little bit, because that's what it's showing right there. Let me grab this level. Is there a knot or something?
No, it's just
There's a screw in the back side of that.
I know, but that's not really. I was trying to hold it. This is the,
Let me take that out with the hatchet right there. Yeah, that's good right there. Okay. Does that look right on the end? Because I got that knot pretty close. I think I need to notch some of that out. Don't you? Yeah, that's better. Right there. All right, going pretty good. Let's check it out. There you go. Guys, that's about it for Neil, man. He rode with me today. I gotta run him back to his house because he's gotta go somewhere, and I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna come back and work for a little while. Not sure what I'm gonna do whenever I get back, but might do a little bit more framing. Might just decide to clean up. Might go chase some squirrels. I don't know. I might go down to the creek. Who really knows? Neil, thanks so much for helping me, brother. I appreciate you so much. Had to run Neil home real quick, but I'm back. I'm gonna load up some tools, and yeah, I think I'm done. So I'm tired. It's been a long day, and I'm gonna get home and rest, relax, and I'm gonna hit it again tomorrow. So you're gonna see me back here tomorrow. I mean, I don't know if you're gonna watch tomorrow's video tomorrow because it won't be uploaded and all that tomorrow. But if you're following along, just know the next video you're watching, that's my tomorrow. Okay, that's my tomorrow. So I'm gonna get out here, finish the framing, and start working on a wall, man. We're just gonna work on one wall. I can only do what I can do. We're just gonna work on the wall. I think I'm gonna work on this wall right here. And I've got some metal. I've got 3 sheets right there. And got some cedar over there. Right here. Got a bunch of cedar, man. Check it out. Boom. Right there. Yeah. So, I don't even know, man. That's really been the fun part of this whole build, is just using my imagination. You know, I got some cedar, I still got some 2x, I got this kind of metal, that kind of metal, and just putting it all together and making something that works, you know, out of what I got, and I'm using it for free. So, you know, I have spent a little bit of money, but man, it hadn't been much, you know, between maybe buying some rebar and some concrete and some screws and stuff like that. That's about all we're in it so far. I can't wait to get it all done. I'll total everything up and kind of let you guys know what I spent. And, you know, that'll be that. We'll be moving on to the next thing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna load up. Appreciate y'all being here. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button, man. We want you to come back. Click on the notification bell. Click all. It's the one at the top, man. It's totally free, man. If you ever get tired of me, all you gotta do is unsubscribe, but please don't do that. If you like the video, give us a big like, and if you got anything to say, drop it in the comments. Appreciate y'all being here, and we'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace. 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 That's so stupid. All right, one more time. Here we go. Guys, thanks for being here. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Helps our channel out a lot. And if you like the video, gently tap the like button, okay? Just gently tap it. You know, maybe just get your pinky and go like, you know? We really appreciate it. And if you got anything to say, drop us a comment. That's it for today, and we'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace! Pizza! Pizza? I am kind of hungry.